Hello everyone, nandito na kami sa sa Hamilton. Mag-cherry picking kami, guys. So,
How can you get it? Gabi's too high.
eto na. One basket. 40 bucks. There you go.
Madali na, malalaki nga eh. Ano itong isa?
Look,
Apple.
cherry.
Hindi pa. Ay, nandito ba? Yung parami anak kong kunin mo.
Okay. Drop it here. Eh!
Hindi ba nahulog?
Wait lang. Okay.
Yan, ang dami mo sa ulo mo.
Wala ka.
Taas. Sandali.
Can I find any more?
Madami dyan, oh, yan.
Hey! I told you to catch it!
Stop one more.
Hi! Okay, guys. Nakaupo kami sa may ladder. We're tired already and it's hot. Yeah, that's why, look. Mia's drinking a lot of water. Happy with this?
Yeah. It's very delicious.
Is that delicious? Okay.
And
Oops, wait. Mia is already eating cherries. It's sweet. Right? Sweet.
I kind of a little bit red.
Yeah, I know. It's good. Yeah.
How would I to drink?
There you go.
I think you just eat the half of the seed
Mm-hmm.
because that's how the seed crack like that.
Wow, it's good. It's good, guys. Here po kami pumunta sa may Frederick Orchard sa Hamilton.
Cracker Thomas one.
Yeah. We are here at Hamilton Cherry Picking Farm.
He's the bridge. It's
Okay, say bye.
bye.
See you later.